Hello. Don't know if you've seen one of these before, but it's a Joker greeting card, and something that was new to me when in our office a fellow employee was leaving, and as farewell gift got this card, and it because it's so loud, it drew a lot of other people to her desk, and anyway, I was amused, but I also was curious as to how you could make it turn off. And part of the point is that it doesn't turn off and it's supposed to annoy you. So anyway, let me show you what's inside the card. You can see it's torn open a little bit. You're going to be annoyed. And, you know, I was amused. So when you break it open, there is glitter inside in case you do it energetically, but even if you do it carefully, this glitter is pretty small and it does escape. So there's a trigger in here, like a lot of musical cards, that sort of works close to the hinge when the top covers, the cover's folded back. It pulls the like a piece of clear plastic through a slot and engages the device. And right now I've got a piece of cardboard that's kind of in here, part of the card itself, and you'll hear the song, and it'll probably be going for as long as you'd like it to go. I'll defuse this thing and it will finally stop. But it has a safety mechanism that you and after you fill out the card, thanks for all the April Fool's fun, you pull a piece of tape out, and it makes a connection here between a couple of contacts, and after that the trigger is live. So I'm going to right now. I'm going to here's my arming switch, but let me just show you sort of how this works. I'll let you hear the song run once through.
This is the car that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend. You opened up this Joker card not knowing what it was, and it keeps playing on and on forever just because. This is the car that
So I think you probably get the point. But I guess what I did here was find some way to replicate the arming switch, and so I make that contact. That didn't do anything. That was just a pause in the song. But in order to make the song stop, you can get the trigger ready again. I had cut the actual clear plastic trigger smaller. I was using it both as the trigger and as this battery interrupter here. So you can slide it in under this first battery, and that kills the noise. And now also, once you remove it, has set the device again, and then you can take off the arming switch, or the original arming switch, the one that breaks when you purchase the card and ready for it to go, and then you remove the trigger, and there you go. So in reverse. There's a piece of plastic. Okay. That didn't do it very well. There we go. Okay, so remove, and it's armed. And that's all there is to it. When you're messing with this, I don't know, I was pretty careful, but these wires and the solder connections are pretty delicate. I had to resolder those. You can see where I interrupted the speaker circuit, so it wouldn't be using all the battery while I was trying to figure this out. So I hope that's of some use to some of you. I know it's the point of the card is to is to, I guess, be annoyed, but this is another fun aspect. And Joker greeting card company, thank you.